Hello, and welcome to the Fit Velocity. In this video we will see the 10 best chest workout exercises for bigger chest, and their benefits. A chest workout involves alternating between 3 chest exercises. Bench press completed in the flat, incline and decline positions. In fact, mixing up your workouts will mean you're hitting your chest from more angles than the humble bench press, as good as it is. So let's start without any further delay. Let's move to our first exercise. Our first exercise is bench press. Adding bench presses to your weight training regimen include increasing upper body strength, improving muscular endurance, and even preparing your upper body to do movements like push-ups. They also can be an effective strengthening exercise for sports like sprinting, hockey, and football. To perform this exercise, keep your butt on the bench, with your feet flat on the floor and your glutes and core engaged. You should also drive your shoulder blades down into the bench. Lift your dumbbells up, squeezing the handles tightly. Once your back is on the bench, don't just hold the weights with your elbows parallel to your shoulders. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to help to keep your shoulders safe. Squeeze your chest to drive the weight up, then lower under control under the same path to just above your chest. Drive back up to hit another rep. Let's move to our second exercise. Our second exercise is chest fly. The chest fly is all about creating tension through the movement. Your goal is not to flap your arms like a bird to take flight, like the name suggests. Squeezing is the name of the game here. That means you'll probably use less weight than you might expect. To perform this exercise, lay on a flat bench, gripping dumbbells in each hand. Press the weights up above your chest, keeping them from touching, with your pinkies turned slightly inward. Maintain full body tension on the bench. Lower your arms down, moving only at your shoulders, keeping a slight elbow bend. Only go as deep as your shoulder mobility allows. Squeeze your shoulder blades to raise the weight back up to the starting position, and emphasize the squeeze in your chest at the top. Let's move to our third exercise. Our third exercise is dumbbell floor press. Take your dumbbell press to the floor for a shoulder-safe chest pump. This is another excellent option for building up your chest with home workouts, since all you'll need are some weights and some space to spread out. To perform this exercise, lay back on the floor, gripping a pair of dumbbells tightly. Keep your feet flat on the floor, driving with your heels and squeezing your glutes. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle relative to your torso to keep your shoulders safe. Press the dumbbells up and squeeze your chest at the top position. Lower back with control, allowing your elbows to rest briefly on the ground. Let's move to our fourth exercise. Our fourth exercise is incline dumbbell bench press. This is an upper body push exercise that targets the pectoralis major, upper chest, clavicular, costal and sternal head, along with the anterior deltoids, triceps, biceps and serratus anterior. To perform this exercise, lie on a bench with the backrest set at a 45-degree incline. Hold a pair of dumbbells above your chest with your arms straight and your palms turned toward your feet, which should be flat on the floor. Keep your core tight and avoid arching your back, which means your butt should be glued to the seat. Press the dumbbells up, directly above the shoulders. You might have seen some people in the gym knocking the weights together at the top, but there's no need to do that here. Lower the dumbbells to chest level, but don't stress on how deep you go, before you press them back up for the next rep. Let's move to our fifth exercise. Our fifth exercise is cable fly. When it comes to working their pecs, most guys just press. Adding the fly to your routine gives your pecs and front deltoids a new stimulus. To perform this exercise, attach 2 stirrup handles to the high pulley cables of a cable crossover station. Grab a handle with each hand, and stand in a staggered stance in the middle of the station. Your arms should be outstretched but slightly bent. Lean forward slightly at your hips, don't round your back. Without changing the bend in your arms, bring your hands together. Slowly reverse the movement. Let's move to our sixth exercise. Our sixth exercise is close grip bench press. You can lift more weight with a barbell than with dumbbells because they're more stable. That's why barbell presses generally build more raw strength in your chest. But this variation puts more focus on your triceps, so you'll get the added bonus of extra work for the biggest muscles in your arms, too. To perform this exercise using an overhand grip that's a bit narrower than shoulder width, Hold a barbell above your sternum with your arms straight. Lower the bar to your chest. Hold for 1 second. Press the bar up. Let's move to our 7th exercise. Our 7th exercise is decline dumbbell bench press. Changing the angle on the bench does more than just switch up the scenery. This exercise zeroes in on your lower chest, helping to build serious size. To perform this exercise, lie on a decline bench with your shins hooked beneath the leg support. Hold a pair of dumbbells above your chest with your arms straight. Your palms should face your feet and the weights should be just outside your shoulders. Lower the dumbbells to your chest, pause, and then press them back up to the starting position. Let's move to our 8th exercise. Our 8th exercise is chain barbell bench press. Using chains increases the weight as each link is raised off the floor, adding weight to the overall load. Bands impart greater resistance as they stretch and build tension. The benefits behind this type of training are numerous and extend across various types of sports. To perform this exercise, hang a chain over each end of the barbell, or anchor resistance bands to the bench and place them over each end of the bar. Start without weight, in order to get used to the unstable bar. Grab the barbell and lie on a bench. Using an overhand grip that's just beyond shoulder width, hold the bar above your sternum, keeping your arms straight. Lower the bar to your chest, and then push it back to the starting position. Let's move to our 9th exercise. Our 9th exercise is plyometric pushup. This explosive pushup nails the fast twitch muscles in your chest, priming them for growth, said English. The movement also gives you another, more powerful option for at-home chest development. To perform this exercise, get into a push-up position, your hands just outside your chest, your feet shoulder-width apart, and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Brace your core. Lower your chest to the floor and then press up explosively so your hands come off the floor. If you can pull it off, clap your hands together before returning to the starting position on the ground. Let's move to our 10th exercise. Our 10th exercise is squat to landmine press. Develop upper body and lower body strength by practicing landmine squats correctly. The muscles worked by this squat variation include your hamstrings, quadriceps, glutes, abs, triceps, deltoids, and trapezius muscles. To perform this exercise, keep your feet apart from the width of the shoulder. Hold the barbell with both hands at the height of the chest. You can secure the weight by interlocking your hands above the bar. Weigh on your chest and bend the knees while pushing your hips back. Wait for a second when your thighs are parallel to the ground. Nevertheless, push yourself back by keeping weight on your chest, spreading the knees and pushing your hips forward. It is a repetition. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share to this video, and also subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching this video, and be healthy and fit. Have a nice day.